Do you want to know the secret to running your best half marathon without complicating your life? Can you imagine achieving it with just 3 exercises? Today, I will reveal how to transform your performance and surpass your own limits. Imagine feeling stronger, faster, and more prepared for that half marathon. Are you ready to discover these powerful exercises that will change your training forever? You can't miss this. The warm-up is essential to prepare your body and mind before an intense workout. A good warm-up increases the temperature of your muscles, improves your circulation, and reduces the risk of injuries. Let's start with a dynamic warm-up that will prepare you for the main exercises. Before starting the main exercises, we need to prepare our body well. A good warm-up not only helps us avoid injuries, but also puts us in the right mental state to give our best. Ready? Let's do it. We begin with a dynamic warm-up of about 10 to 15 minutes. Light jog, 5 minutes. Let's start with a light jog for 5 minutes. This will help elevate your heart rate and warm up your muscles gradually. Keep a comfortable pace where you can maintain a conversation without problems. Dynamic stretches, 5 to 10 minutes. High knees, 1 minute. Now, lift your knees to hip height while jogging in place. This exercise activates your leg muscles and improves hip mobility. Do it for 1 minute. But kicks, 1 minute. Next, bring your heels to your glutes while running in place. This movement stretches your quadriceps and activates your hamstrings. Keep a steady pace for 1 minute. Ankle circles, 1 minute. Now, stop and perform ankle circles. Rotate each ankle in both directions for 30 seconds per foot. This will improve flexibility and reduce the risk of sprains. Leg swings, 2 minutes. Standing, hold on to a wall or railing for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward, then side to side. Do 30 seconds in each direction for each leg. This exercise helps loosen the hip muscles and improve mobility. Hip rotations, 1 minute. With hands on hips, make large circles with your pelvis. Perform 30 seconds in each direction. This movement warms up and loosens the lower back and hips. Side bends, 1 minute. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your torso to one side, extending your arm overhead. Alternate sides for 1 minute. This stretches the oblique muscles and improves trunk flexibility. Arm circles, 1 minute. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles. Gradually increase the size of the circles. Do 30 seconds forward and 30 seconds backward. This warms up the shoulder and arm muscles. Now that your body is warm and ready, it's time to move on to the main exercises. These movements not only prepare you physically, but also activate your mind for the intense training ahead. Let's give it our all. The warm-up is fundamental to maximize your performance and minimize the risk of injuries. Make sure not to skip this step and do it with energy and focus. Your half marathon will thank you. We are now entering the most important part of the training. Main exercises. These 3 exercises are powerful and effective for improving your half marathon performance. They will help you increase your speed, endurance, and strength. Exercise 1. Long intervals. The first exercise is long intervals. These are essential for improving your speed and aerobic capacity. Long intervals teach you to run fast for longer periods, which is crucial for a half marathon. Do 6 to 8 intervals of 800 meters. Run at a fast pace, near your maximum effort, but make sure to maintain good form. Rest 2 to 3 minutes between each interval, jogging lightly or walking. Keep an upright posture and use your arms to propel your run. Focus on your breathing. Breathe deeply and in a controlled manner. Long intervals increase your ability to maintain a fast pace and improve your overall endurance. You will see a great difference in your performance. Exercise 2. Tempo run. The second exercise is the tempo run. This type of training improves your lactate threshold, allowing you to run faster without getting as fatigued. It's like teaching your body to run comfortably at a fast pace. Run at a steady and challenging but sustainable pace for 20 to 30 minutes. This pace should be slightly slower than your race pace. You should feel challenged but able to maintain the pace. Start with a pace you can sustain for the entire time. Listen to your body and adjust as necessary. Consistency is key. Tempo runs improve your running efficiency and prepare you to maintain a strong pace for longer. It's fundamental for the half marathon. Exercise 3. Strength training for legs and core. The third exercise focuses on strength. Running a half marathon is not just about speed and endurance, but also about strength. Strengthening your legs and core will help you maintain good form and prevent injuries. Do 3 sets of 15 repetitions of the following exercises. Squats. Make sure to lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Lunges. Alternate legs, keeping the front knee aligned with the ankle. Calf raises. Lift and lower slowly, feeling the work in your calves. Planks. Hold a plank position for 30 to 60 seconds for each set. Do these exercises with control and focus on technique. Don't rush. Proper form is crucial to reap the benefits and avoid injuries. Strength training improves stability and power, translating into better running efficiency and less risk of injuries. Your muscles will thank you. Incredible! You have completed the main exercises. These movements are designed to maximize your performance and help you reach your half marathon goals. Prepare to see the results. Do them regularly, and you will notice a significant difference in your speed, endurance, and strength. Finally, let's move on to the cool down. The cool down is a crucial part of any training, especially after an intense session like the one we just did. It helps your body recover and reduces the risk of injuries. Let's cool down effectively. You have completed the main exercises, but we are not done yet. Properly cooling down the body is essential for optimal recovery. After an intense workout, your body needs a smooth transition back to a resting state. The cool down helps reduce the buildup of lactic acid, gradually decreases your heart rate, and improves flexibility. Light jog, 5 minutes. Let's start with a light jog for 5 minutes. Keep a relaxed pace, allowing your heart rate to gradually decrease. This also helps remove metabolic waste from your muscles. Static stretches, 5 minutes. Now, let's move on to some static stretches to relax the muscles and improve flexibility. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds. Quadricep stretch. Stand up, bend one leg backward, and grab your ankle with your hand. Bring the heel toward the glutes until you feel a stretch in the quadriceps. Maintain balance and breathe deeply. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the ground with one leg extended and the other bent. Lean forward from the hips towards the extended leg, keeping your back straight. Feel the stretch in the back of your leg. Calf stretch. Lean against a wall with your hands and take one leg back, keeping it straight with the heel on the ground. Push forward with the front leg until you feel a stretch in the calf. Glute stretch. Lie on your back, cross one leg over the other, and pull the crossed leg towards your chest. Hold this stretch to relieve tension in the glutes and lower back. Lower back stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend forward, and let your arms hang towards the floor. Let gravity help stretch your lower back and hamstrings. Perfect. Now that we have properly cooled down, your body is on its way to a quick and effective recovery. Don't underestimate the importance of this step. It is crucial to staying in shape and injury-free. The cool down is key to complete recovery and better preparation for your next training sessions. Always do it, and your body will thank you. Congratulations! You have completed the training. Now, let's review what we've covered, and I will give you a special bonus to help you even more on your way to your best half marathon. We did a dynamic warm-up to prepare your body, followed by 3 main exercises that are key to improving your performance. Long intervals, to increase your speed and aerobic capacity. Tempo run, to improve your lactate threshold and maintain a fast pace. Strength training for legs and core, to increase stability and prevent injuries. And we finished with a proper cool down to ensure good recovery. As promised, here is a special bonus. An additional stretching routine you can do after each training session. These deep stretches will help improve flexibility and reduce muscle tension, which is crucial to avoiding injuries and improving your performance. Additional stretching routine, 10 minutes. Psoas stretch. Lie on your back with one leg extended and the other bent with the foot on the ground. Pull the bent knee towards your chest and hold for 30 seconds per leg. This relieves tension in the lower back and hips. Piriformis stretch. Sit with one leg extended and the other crossed over the knee of the extended leg. Twist your torso towards the crossed leg and hold for 30 seconds on each side. This stretch is excellent for the glutes and lower back. IT band stretch. Stand, cross one leg over the other, and stretch towards the side of the back leg. Hold for 30 seconds and then switch sides. This stretch is essential for runners as it helps prevent iliotibial band syndrome. Neck and shoulder stretch. Standing or sitting, bring one hand to the top of your head and gently pull to the side to stretch your neck. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. Then, interlace your hands behind your back and lift your arms to stretch your shoulders. Hold for 30 seconds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips and workouts. Leave us a comment with your experiences and any questions you have. And remember, consistency is the key to success. Keep running, keep improving, and get ready to break your limits in your next half marathon. See you in the next video.